Good morning. It is about 6 o'clock and we have the pill bottle tinder box. We're processing birds today, so we're gonna try to get this thing lit with our tinder. We had some rain overnight, but it doesn't look like it did much in the way of soaking anything. So, got our char cloth. Start taking out our tinder here. Our lint. If I can get to the matches there. Once the matches are out, that'll free up some space here. That is it. Our lint balls, dried cedar, a little bit of char cloth. I just want to see how that char cloth burns. It was made a while back. I'm going to roll up this cedar, spread it out a little bit. This fire pit is the one we normally use for boiling water when we're scalding birds after they've been bled. So, let's see if a pill bottle tinder box will work. See if the matches are dry. Okay. All right. So the lint has taken off. Let's see if that cedar will work. So we have a fire going. With a little effort, the pill bottle tinder box would work, but I wouldn't recommend it as my first choice. I would use it in an emergency situation or in addition to something else. So we'll start getting these birds processed, and we thank you for watching.